the seas all the way down to the floor. What? No. Let's do an intro.
Hey, right, Daddy.
Oh, we're putting that up on the table. Wait, are we putting this on the table or are we putting motor on the table? Hello everybody, and today we're going to be doing our unboxing of the Predator. Freaking.
Evan, you sound like you want to dodge. More
I do want to dodge. Okay, Connor, you do the intro. Explain what we're doing.
We're unboxing it, man.
We're unboxing a brand new engine that Connor bought today. Well, Connor's dad bought it.
Yeah, it's for the power wheels.
Connor's on the IOU system right now. He's in debt about $200.
True.
You're still in debt on this. Have we introduced this yet? We gotta introduce the new toy. Oh, I was about to do that, but okay, thanks.
New toy real quick. We got
A 250.
250.
Enduro.
And someone like freaking whoever had it first spray painted it blue. So
That blue's not that bad actually.
yeah, I know. But I don't know. You don't need to hold it that freaking close.
These things are strong. Damn you, Harbor Freight. Gotta take one out of there before somebody gets stabbed. Good old instructions.
Who needs these? Connor's like, oh, we're gonna actually.
Okay, guys, here it is, right here.
Yeah, there we go.
It's just instructions. We didn't buy them.
See you guys.
No,
Bye.
what's the instructions?
Okay, back to the
Ooh.
Connor, you
No.
pull it. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, gas
Ooh.
only.
Oh, God.
Yeah, no E85. Connor was disappointed.
No 85, that sucks.
I was probably super important.
No, it's just telling you how to fill the gas up and put oil in it.
Oh, underneath it.
That may be important.
There's
Is there anything else in the bottom?
hardware.
Probably not. No.
Wrenches and whatnot.
That kind of hurts.
Here's our freaking go-kart engine that we're putting in the Power Wheels.
There you go.
Now. So yeah, this is basically all this video is. It's just,
You just gotta look.
It's just a motor.
yeah, okay, yeah. No
It's
transmission.
gonna have
Who needs beer?
a converter that comes down here. That's gonna have a belt drive system on it like that four-wheeler does. And the
And the
Raz does.
And the rest, yeah.
And the Commander and the Racers. If I pour some oil in this sucker, hook her up to a battery, we can get her rolling.
Right here.
Have multiple ABC class fire extinguishers nearby. This says to only start it when it has fire extinguishers nearby, Mom.
Well, that sounds smart.
There's one right there. I can get it just in time.
Yeah.
With this, hey,
Throttle.
Connor, would you classify this as riding this
Open.
irresponsibly?
Close. Open. Close. Open.
Oh my god.
Looks like a big jug.
Chug jug?
Today, guys, we're gonna do a video on how to ride a Formula. It's quite simple. You just push this little button.
That's good enough.
You should make clickbait called playing Fortnite in real life. Like, oh, in your grandpa's yard, in your yard. What's that? What's spilled everywhere? She runs.
It does for like.
Alright, thank you guys for enjoying our freaking unboxing, and yeah, we made it where Connor put some gas and oil in it and it runs, and it's like freaking amazing. And
Try to full start.
yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll make more Power Wheels videos soon. This is gonna be the freaking most dope Power Wheels you've ever seen on YouTube because I said so. So, do you agree, Connor?
What?
Do you think this is gonna be the most
No one's
cool?
put a
Okay.
what is that, 212?
212, yeah.
No one's put a 212 in a Power Wheel before like we would.
Yeah, we're gonna pop some wheelies. Shut up! Shut up!
Edit it out. Care what it is.
No, but we're gonna be cooler than everybody else because we're only 15.
Because we're gonna wreck ours.
Yeah, no we're not. No we're not. We're not even gonna jump
So you
it.
get views.
No.